Hello and welcome to Learning is Fun by MGB, and this is your MGB here. Today we'll be revising on HTML, creating lists, creating tables, hyperlinks and frames in HTML. So in today's video, here is a revision on creating tables in HTML. So students, let us do some revision. So let us revise how to create tables in HTML. So creating beautiful tables in HTML. So what is a table? Table arranges data in rows and columns. Tables are on a web page make the data easier to read and interpret. Okay. Tables are also powerful tools for laying out the contents of a web page. By using tables, a designer can place the text and graphics anywhere on the page. So here is a diagrammatic format of the table. There is a row and a column. The horizontal part is known as row, and vertically it is known as the vertical part is known as a column. Okay. So tables are divided into rows and columns. So basic tables tags here. Okay, table. The main tag of the table is table tag, and the TR to create the table row, TD to create the table data tag. We will specify the individual block of the cell. TH is the header cell, and the caption is the table caption or the heading. It defines the caption for the title of the table. And these are the various table properties: caption side, border spacing, borders collapse, empty cells, width and height. So caption side is where you want to place the caption, either at the top of the bottom or at the bottom. Border spacing is where you want the space, specifies the distance between the borders of the adjacent cells. So borders collapse, that specify whether the table will have the borders. Table borders will be collapsed or not. If it is not collapsed, then individual cell borders will be also visible. Empty cells means if you want to show the empty cell or you want to hide the empty cell. If any table has empty cell, a blank cell, if you want you can hide the blank cell. If you want you can show the blank cell. And width and height is the height and width of the table. And this is the structure of the table. The basic structure starts with the table tag, then caption, then TR, and the first TR, the row will be the heading, table heading. Okay, like for example, if I am creating a table of mark sheet, to name, the name of the student, the roll number, the marks, these are the heading. Okay, column headings actually. Okay, so that will come within the TH tag. And then rest of the TR are the TD, the data that will be entering in the table. So this is the basic table structure. Fine. So let me show you an example. So here is an example. I have created a table on the city, the day and its temperature. Okay. So I have specified the border of the table as 5px solid blue, border spacing as 5px, border for the individual cells are border 3px solid maroon. The background color of the table headings of the cell headings are the yellow color. Padding, TD padding is 15px. Text line will be center. These are the few properties that I have applied to the table, to the TR tag, to the TH and TD tag, okay, and also to the table tag. Anyway, and you can see the rest of the part. In the body I have mentioned the table, the TR. The table headings are city, day and temperature, and then I have entered the data of the city Kolkata on Monday 24th Jan, how much degree it is, and then on New Delhi also Monday 24th Jan, coding, that is a 2 rows, 3 rows actually. One is the heading row and another 2 rows with having the data of 2 cities, Kolkata and Delhi, and their temperature on the particular day of 24th Jan. This is the code, and I will show you the output also. This is the output. Okay, so here I'll be showing you another example, displaying image in a table. Okay, the previous example where I'm displaying only the text, but in this example I'll be displaying image in a table. You have done that before, so it's just a revision of it. So I have changed some properties of the table over here. I've changed the border color of the table as red. I've changed the border color of the individual cells as green, and also the background color of TH as blue. Okay, and then also I've added the image height and width as 200 px. Rest of the properties are same, and in the table heading I have written rose and petunia, the two headings. Okay, and TR, in the TD part I have given the source of the image. Okay, one is rose.jpg, another is petunia.jpg. And one thing, I'll just add a caption over here. Caption, flowers. So I've added a caption to the table. So by default the caption side is top, so I'm not changing any caption side properties. I will save the table over here. Okay, I'll save the code. Now once I go to the browser and I will refresh it, now you can see beautiful flowers. Okay, and since I've written displaying image in a table, it's automatically getting displayed. It is not supposed to be displayed anyway. But the caption I've given as beautiful flowers. Okay, so and you can see the table border as red. One second. And yeah, and the border of the individual cells are green, and the background color is of the table heading is blue. Okay, so that's another example of the table. So I hope you got a recapitulation of what is table and how to write a code for the table in HTML. Thank you and all the best for your exam.